Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we are going to make refrigerator pickles using some of our cucumbers we have harvested from our garden. The recipe we are using is in the description. We are first going to combine apple cider vinegar, water, sugar, salt, mustard seed and turmeric. Bring to a boil for 1 minute and continue to stir to ensure everything is dissolved. Once everything is hot and bubbly, turn off the burner and set aside as you prepare the onions and cucumbers. Making pickles is easy. You can use 3 methods. One is refrigerator, one is fermented, and the other is hot water bath canning. There are dill and bread and butter recipes. Each will have their own pros and cons. We are just waiting until the solution boils for 1 minute, then we will set aside and start prepping our onions and cucumbers. We are going to slice our onions into thin strips, then cut the cucumbers into little discs. This is the most common form of bread and butter pickles. You can also slice them into spears if you are making dill pickles. Any way you slice them, they will turn out great and you will feel good that you have grown your own food for your family. Once you get everything sliced up, you will want to pack the cucumbers and onions in tight. You want to ensure that once you add the liquid that everything will stay submerged in the liquid so the pickling process can start. Slice the cucumbers into 1/4 inch discs. This will take a while if you have large harvest. During this time the liquid you prepared earlier will cool down so it is safe to handle and pour into your jars. You will want to make sure your jars are clean and sanitized. This can be done in your dishwasher or in a boiling water bath. As you can see, we are alternating the onions and cucumbers. You can use any method to add your ingredients, just make sure it's packed tightly so everything will be submerged in the liquid. Now pour your prepared liquid into the jar and fill to the top. If you are water bath canning, you will want to follow the FDA guidelines and ensure you have headspace in your jar. Headspace is critical to process correctly and ensure you have a safe product for long-term storage. Ball Canning has a great book that will guide you through the process. Now close up your jar. Clean off any spillage and store in your refrigerator for 2 days before enjoying your own homemade pickles. These should last about 2 months in your refrigerator.